Hello, welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Wednesday the 10th of May with me, Richard Pro Market Analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's look at Eurodollar now, and we've seen these last couple of candles. To be honest, in the wake of Emmanuel Macron's victory, these big strong corrective candles brings you back to a key level on the Eurodollar. 108.50 has been this big breakout level of support for the last sort of few weeks really. Came back to test that pretty much yesterday. 108.60 held on there to the support and continues to hold on to it today. Now this becomes I think a key session today, because if you close below 108.50, you're sort of back towards 108 figure, and I think below 108 figure, I think you're sort of beginning to look a little bit more corrective again, certainly near to medium term. And you could start to sort of pull back towards this old uptrend again, sort of mid 107.50s area. So you've got an important candle, I think, today, or session, I should say, today. Momentum indicators just beginning to roll over, aren't they? Those stochastics. If you close at these sort of levels here today, that starts to give more of a corrective signal. MACD lines close to crossing lower. RSI back below 60. I mean, it all sort of is a little bit more corrective, and suggests that the bulls really do need to fight hard, I think, to hold on to this support, because you've got this hourly chart which shows you that again they're sort of just losing a little bit of impetus in this recovery, this mini recovery overnight. You've got the sort of resistance coming in around 109 figure, 109.15 being the sort of bit of a near-term old low becomes new resistance, and then 109.50 being that old range high, which becomes a bit of a pivot, or became a bit of a pivot. So resistance overhead is still there really, and the market hasn't yet sort of confirmed that this support is in place. Bulls could come under a bit more pressure today, so I'm a little bit concerned about how this one is moving near term, but still I think medium to longer term, I think this is still a base pattern that's going to drive the market higher, but could see a bit of a near term correction setting in now. You've seen this buy on rumour, sell on fact reaction to Macron's victory, so a little bit of a near term struggle for the Eurodollar, but I think ultimately it will be breaking back higher again, but it needs to hold above that 108.50 support really to sort of sustain this immediate sort of medium term positive outlook. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.